The Chef 600 is the newest member of the Blendtec commercial product line. It was designed to meet the unique needs of chefs. It comes with entry-level pricing while offering blender speeds and controls engineered specifically for food prep and commercial kitchens. The compact motor base takes up very little kitchen space. The LCD display shows time each blend is running, while the sealed interface features simple, easy clean push-button controls. Operating the Chef 600 couldn't be simpler. The one-touch kitchen controls are specifically designed for food prep. Low, medium, and high speed cycles blend at a constant level until the operator manually stops it or until it shuts off automatically after 90 seconds. Unique to the Chef 600 are the separate low pulse and high pulse buttons. Low pulse is ideal for chopping or mixing fragile ingredients, while the powerful high pulse is great for emulsifying and pureeing. For thicker blends, pair the Chef 600 with the Blendtec Twister Jar to create nut butters, salad dressings, and dips from scratch. The Chef 600 comes with a powerful 3.0 peak horsepower commercial motor and BPA-free 4-side jar with unique blunt safety blade. It can handle the job, whether blending ingredients for a complex recipe or creating sauces and dips. The Chef 600 by Blendtec. A great fit for any commercial kitchen to save time and money while expanding your menu options and broadening your bottom line.